Here at the Atrium Rehab Center, our #1 priority is the safety of our residents, staff members, and visitors. Using the latest technology, the Excelsior Clean program will allow us to take our commitment to safety to the next level. As part of the Excelsior Clean program, our staff receive special training in the use of electrostatic guns.
As the infection preventionist at Atrium, I am especially proud that Excelsior Clean program is here. This product will not only help us to meet the required standards of preventing infection in the building, it will help us also to go above and beyond in preventing and controlling the likelihood of any communicable disease within the facility.
As the Director of Nursing at Atrium, I am very excited for the Excelsior Clean program that is introduced in our facility. This program would help to enhance the environment and the quality of care that we provide to our residents.
Being a resident in Atrium, I feel more comfortable knowing that they have started this Excelsior cleaning program to keep us and employees safe.
I feel as though it's not only an important measure, but it's very comforting to know that I'm getting medical care and I'm also in a safe and cleansed environment.
We are very excited to be a part of the Excelsior Clean program and look forward to the impact it will have on our 5-star facility.